Hi friends, we are going to see different types of Python projects we can do and learn Python in this series, and in that we are going to see number guessing game. Now let's enter into it. So let us see what are the things we have to understand before starting the number guessing game. So first we have to understand the concept. So we are going to understand here. So we are going to enter two numbers, maximum number and minimum number of the range. Within this range, Python will randomly select a number, and now we have to guess the number within this range. If the number is above the selected number, then Python will print too high. If the number is below, then it will print too low. And if our guess and the Python randomly selected numbers are matching, then Python will congratulate us and it will display the number of guesses we have used to identify the number. In this, the key points to note is, so maximum and minimum values may be same. Sometimes the user may enter the same numbers, and maximum is less than the minimum value. Sometimes the user may give maximum is less than the minimum, so we have to give throw an error at that time. We have to ask the user to re-enter the value. And guessing out of the range, the user may guess the value out of the range. So what are the concepts we will learn from this program is if condition, while loop, input function and random function. Now let us see how does the program works. So now let us go to the Python idle. So I had made this program in the module nGuess, number guess. Okay. So see this, it is saying Jai Shri Ram Rajan Robotics and guess the number. This is the program name and enter the max of the range. It is asking the maximum value. Now I am giving 150 and it is asking enter the minimum of the range. Let us give it as 10. So the range is going to be 10 and 150. It is showing maximum number is 150, minimum number is 10. So guess the number within the range. Now let us go in the correct way. So now let us see that. So let us have the mid number somewhere around 80. So it says that the number is too high. The guess number is 80. Number is too high. So it is asking again. So let us decrease the value. Let us go for something around 60. And it says too low. So the number should be between 60 and 80. So now let us guess once again. So we have reduced the range from 10 to 150 to 60 to 80 now. So now let us go for 70 somewhere mid and it says too low. Guess the number again. So now the range is between 70 to 60. So now we have reduced the range. So 75 and it says too low. So now it's between 75 and 80. So now let us go ahead. So let us go for 77 and it says too high. So the answer would be 76. Yes, and it says congratulations, you have found it. Number of guesses used is 6. So in this way we can do the Python program and we can enhance our Python skills. Now let us see the points we have to remember this. So I'm just rerunning the program once again. nGuess. So it's asking the maximum of the range. Now I'm giving the maximum as 150. We can give any other value. Let it be 100. And minimum number I'm going to give it as above the maximum value. So I'm going to give it as 150. So what it says, let us see. See, it says enter the different number apart from the maximum. So so it's asking the minimum number once again. Now I'm going to give the same number. Okay, the maximum and minimum I'm going to give it same. See, it says enter the different number. So I had programmed it so that whenever the maximum is above the is less than the minimum, maximum is less than the minimum or maximum equal to minimum. So to ask the user to ask the value once again, and it is asking the value enter the minimum range. I'm going to give it as 10. So it says maximum number is 100, minimum number is 10. So the range is going to be 10 to 100. Okay, now guess the number. Now let us see, we are going to guess out of the range. For example, let us think about 123. Right, the range is between 10 to 100. Now but I'm going for 123. Now it says enter the guess within the range of 10 and 100. Guess the number once again. So it is asking to guess once again. Now let us go for some less number, less than 10. I'm going to guess. So minus 2. Right. So it is saying enter the guess within the range 10 to 100. So in this way we can program it and we can learn Python and we can enhance our skills. Right. So by this we will understand if condition, while loop, and input function, random function, and many more.